Hello, my name is Philippe Beaulieu-Brassard and welcome to this video summary of the first playthrough of Breakthrough at Canadian Forces College on May 30th. Breakthrough is the first wargame, or serious game, finding inspiration in the mystery role-playing game genre. Breakthrough is seeking to bridge the gap between the potential of innovative thinking and the barriers to unlocking this potential in military, defense, and security cultures in Canada, but also across NATO members and partners. With Breakthrough, 30 majors and lieutenant colonels from the Joint Command and Staff program seamlessly unlocked this potential. Breakthrough did so by putting players in situations where they could no longer progress without keeping an open mind, without challenging their biases, and without making sense of a complex situation collaboratively in a team. Thanks to this experience, players enhance more than 3 critical skills required for innovative thinking. First, players successfully managed and negotiated over the allocation of resources to address a complex problem in a team in a matter of 13 game days. Second, players became more comfortable with addressing an unknown, ambiguous, and complex situation seamlessly and with limited information. Third, players experienced the power of better understanding a problem before jumping to solutions. With this success, Breakthrough is moving to the goal phase of development. The Archipelago of Design game design team is planning a release this fall thanks to a fantastic game designer and artistic team. In the meantime, contact us to organize a playthrough with your team and stay tuned for more news on the project.